Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get the anvil in 7 days to die. So to begin, first of all, to craft it you'll need to research about 25 of these forge ahead magazines and have a forge placed down and crafted. Once you do, go inside of here and you'll need to smelt this amount of iron and clay inside of this smelting tab, and then you can go ahead and craft it. Or the other options are to find it at a trader where it is going to be sold by a pretty much high price, or by finding them inside of working stiff tools inside of some warehouses or any kind of building or points of interest. So this is pretty much all how to get it. And now once you have the anvil, just place it in the tools tab and the forge, and as you can see it even has a visual here. You can see it placed down on the log. And this is pretty much all how to get and use the anvil. So thank you for watching, make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.